Having one of these little tire inflators comes in super handy when you're riding tons of bikes. Seems like every time I get out on one of my bikes, especially in these really cold months, you always need to pump up a tire, whether it's the front or the rear. Like the Kuberg, the rear seems to always be fine, but the front tire, because it's a downhill, it always seems to lose some air. So I just put some air in that one. Now we got some air in this one, and we can take the old 4-speed Denzel out for a ride and see how it does. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we got a little review for you. We're going to be looking at the car air pump CZK-3668. It says it's good for sedan tires, motorcycle tires, bicycle tires, and balls. Here's some specs. It says YUGUANG tire inflator, and it's CZK-3668, 7.4 volt, 50 watt capacity, and then it says 2 milliamp times 2. All right, and here's a quick shot of the Amazon ad. It's just called YUGUANG tire inflator, portable air compressor. And I guess it is 4 amp hour because it says 4 amp hour right here. And look at the price on this thing. It's only $26.99. Now you can get tire inflators that cost hundreds of dollars, and this thing, you can't go wrong. Really good product, really cheap and effective. Does everything you need for under 30 bucks. So I really I think this is a great product, and I think if you need something like this like I do, I think you should come over here to the Amazon store. Just visit the YUGUANG store and pick one of these things up. They're 10% off right now, so you're saving a couple bucks. Let's dive in and see what we get. All right, open her up. That's all we got in there. We got a little styrofoam, nice packaging. This is a USB charger, a very small air hose. The USB looks like type C, so regular to C. And it looks like we have a couple adapters for some small rafts, and then we have a Schrader adapter down to Presta, and then we have a regular ball adapter. That's convenient. Let's look at the product itself. Very nice packaging. That thing is heavy duty too. Feels really nice in the hand. We have it on off. Looks like it has an LED light built into it. And we can peel this off. That's beautiful. And it looks like the air hose screws right in the top here. Just like so. Make sure it's nice and tight, and then put the little cover over it to seal it off. And that's that. That's pretty straightforward. Looks like the Type-C charge port is on the bottom here. And it's got a little plastic vent on the back. And there you have it. There's the contents of the package. We have the air pump, the air hose, we have the Type-C charger, and then we have the little bag of adapters here. It says tire inflator. Please read this manual carefully before using. And children are not allowed to operate alone. Do not use your tire inflator under sunlight, high temperature, or high pressure. Do not put your tire inflator into water. Okay. So model CZK-3668, it's made out of ABS plastic, and it has 50 watts of power, it runs off 7.4 volts, so that's probably 2 cells of lithium in series, and it says the battery capacity is 2,000 milliamps, so 2 amp hours, and then it says times 2. I'm not really sure what that means. Maybe there's 2 battery packs in there. So then it says we have the air hose, the heat-resistant hose, power switch, pressure, display, operation buttons, LED light, and the USB charge port. Oh, wow. Look at that. Thing turns right on. LED light. Cool. Then we have the up or down, so you basically set your PSI. Oh wow, you can select different options. So there's 30 PSI, so cars start at 36, and then you can go 32 for bicycles, 30 for bicycles, and then 9 pounds for the balls. That's kind of cool. And M turns on the motor. Wow, that thing puts out some air, man. Holy crap. Not sure if this is just supposed to hook on like this, so when you're done you just kind of put it away like this. You thread it in here, and it's kind of like a lock safety feature. You can hang it by this. It's kind of cool. And then the off switch shuts it down. This is like a battery master switch over here, so the thing doesn't drain when you're not needing it. Man, I swear, every single time I come to ride this bike, my tire is flat. I mean, I got this thing free off of Craigslist, and I guess that's what you get what you pay for. So let's turn on our new pump here. Let's set it to 30 PSI and see if it does its job. Hook it on down here. All right, we got it on. Let's hit the power. Seems like it's working pretty good. It's already at 8 pounds. All right. I'm going to stop it right there because I think 30 pounds on a dirt bike tire is a little too much. Put it at about 20. It feels pretty firm, and we definitely won't have any issues there. Oh man, I swear, every single time I ride this quad, my front left tire is flat. The problem is because I just put these tires on and there was a spot where it was leaking because the rim was bent. So I tried to bend it back and get it as good as I could, but long story short, we need the old trusty air pump to get this thing back in action. All you do is simply thread it on here, nice and quick, select the mode, and good to go. And 10 pounds is about all you need in these tires. So that's about all we're gonna do. We'll stop it here at 10. Perfect. Another success. This thing, I didn't even have to plug it in and charge it. What a great little toy. This thing's gonna let me have a lot more riding time on all of my vehicles because I can just simply grab this and pump up the tires really quick without having to go and get a cord and plug and a big old pump. Run, squirrels, run. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. All right, we're already dragging trees. I just like to run through the woods with this thing and tear it up. Oh yeah. This thing is so sweet. Ooh, it's all wet over here. Wet, wet, wet. I can't really rip it up in here. I'm gonna ruin this stuff. The grass will get all destroyed. Oh, I almost just lost it right there. Yeah, it's just super mushy out. This is like, it looks like it's hard packed, but it's just mud. You can just see the trail I'm leaving because all the frost melted in the last 2 days. It's been really warm and my tracks are just like sinking in 2 inches. Oh yeah, baby. It is mushy out here. Holy crap. Well, that's the end of that journey. We made it back. We got air in our tires and everything's hunky-dory.